Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. If you haven't had a chance to, please go ahead and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And while you are there, definitely take a look at some of our older videos. Sure to find something you like. Hello friends, and welcome back to another video. Picking paint colors is not as easy as everyone thinks, and in today's video we are going to showcase some of the best colors to paint your small bedroom. If you like that type of video, keep on watching. Okay, so I know painting a small bedroom black already just sounds like a big mistake. And while painting it black could make it feel smaller, when you balance it out with white, as in the rest of the walls, as in accessories, furniture, it actually makes the room feel larger. The black paint recedes, making the space feel quite a bit bigger. So blue paint colors in bedrooms go together like pillows and comforters. Plus, studies have shown that we sleep better and longer in blue spaces. Choosing a mid-tone blue like the celestial blue brings a really spa-like dose of calm to your day. Speaking of blue, we also have this sky blue color palette. So lighter hues are going to reflect the light, which is going to help by brightening up some of your dark corners and making the room feel open and welcoming. White probably tops the list for small bedroom colors. It maximizes the light even in rooms that don't have windows. It can be airy and soothing, except when it's not. I was actually talking to Carlos down in the comment section about this very subject. Sometimes white can be very stark and cold and it feels unwelcoming. So if you want to go with white, try a warmer shade. Now, on the flip side of that, there are those of you that like your white cool and stark. I hear a lot of people say it just feels more clean that way. They don't like the warm white. If that's the case, you can still go for white. Just choose a white that's going to have some blue or purple undertones that's going to give you the look and feel that you prefer. So hey, here's one that I bet you did not expect to see, but what about a nice cranberry? If you have a room, even if it's a small bedroom with a lot of light coming in, this could be a great option for you. It brings a lot of warmth in your room, whether you choose to use it as an accent wall or color, or just paint your whole room that shade. So here is another color that I bet you were not expecting. Green works beautifully in a bedroom, and you don't have to shy away from bright colors in small bedrooms. Like the darker hues, balance them with neutrals and white. It will both bring in light and not make everything so in your face and bright. If you still are a little hesitant, try using it as an accent wall. So if you've decided that you want to go with color in your bedroom, but green is not for you, what about yellow? Now, in a small space like a smaller bedroom, I would definitely suggest a more subdued yellow. I am loving the curry yellows right now. It's really on trend. It lets in a lot of natural light. I would pair it with sheer colors or curtains, and I would also go with more acrylic furniture. Even though it is a subdued yellow, it's still yellow, and that'll help bring a bit of balance to your bedroom. Okay, so last but not least, we can't go over paint colors for small bedrooms without talking about neutrals. We know neutrals. We love neutrals. I believe neutrals they're really just that color palette that's going to stand the test of time. Let me know if you guys have neutrals in your bedroom. I'm sure more than half of you do. Now, you can always dress neutrals up, leave them really casual. I mean, they go with everything. The versatility of neutrals is really the reason that so many people have them in their home right now. As always, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Bye, friends.